Alright, so holiday hits. We got 45 and 46 in this vid. Come on, devil. So we'll have 5 left in this case. Come on, P. Watts. Sign it off. So Jackson Dart rookie. It's Pandora 101 at the North Pole. So the J Spy James. Oh, Nick Kurtz. Nice, another rook. 2 of 2. So the N Spy Kevin. Gronk Spike. Oh, 2 of 3. So the R Spy Kevin. Ooh, Big Josh. It's 5 of 5 silver. So the J Spy James. Hey, great names in this box. Ooh, ho ho ho, Matthew Golden. Go color match green 101. That's sharp. Big Matthew rookie. That's for the M Spy Sam. Taking it down. Good box. Good names. So Kevin and Double J James. About a finger. Till 46. Ooh, got a gold. See some goldie. So ho 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 101. Awful Magic Johnson. It's 4 or 5 silver. Blackjack. Oh, Quinshon Judkins 2 of 3 laser. So the Q Spy Sam. Oh, Hardy Boys, Matt Hardy. It's 101 True Christmas Hit Penguin. So for the M Spy Colin. Ah, Bo Jackson was in here. God, he was. So 5 of 5 Bojack. That was the last letter too. Or maybe I'm thinking last box. So for the B Spy, Sam. Okay. So gold chase. See some ink on it. Gold vinyl. It looks like a Charger. Is that a Marion? Find some ink. Ooh, got the auto. Marion Hampton. Oh, those are so sweet. It's a true gold vinyl 101 rookie auto for the O Spy Sam. Got it, brother. Former Tar Heel right there. Hey, nice hit, Sam. And Blackjack double N's. Good box. Next one is up. We got 5 left in this case. Oh, it's definitely goaltending. There we go. Thanks for jumping in, everybody. So 16.